this is Violet, and I'm going to be showing you my Mario plush toy collection. Even my big Mario toy, and Inside Air, and Big Bird. Let's start. First up, we have... look at here. First up, we have Mario. Next, we have Turtle. But I called him Yoshi, so I'm going to call him Yoshi. And Cat Luigi. I have two Luigis. A kid Luigi, but they call him Baby Luigi. Next, we have Toad. Keep looking. And next, Scared.
Fear.
And next, Sadness. And next, Disgust. Next, Anger. Keep looking there. And
Really bad at
next, Joy. And the biggest one of them all, the giant Mario.
Whoa.
Last, Big Bird. So that's my Mario collection. See you guys next time. Bye. Subscribe.